Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to record in the Google Meet web application. So the first thing to do is to access your Google Meet account, and to do so, if you are going to go to your Google Chrome browser and search for these Google apps because you are going to find it here in the browser, or you can click here on your profile and search for manage your Google account. You click on the manage Google account and you will find this Google Apps icon. You search for Meet and then it will take you to the Google Meet application. Otherwise, if you are using a different web browser, you can just search for Google Meet in the browser and then it will take you to the link of it, and of course then you will be able to connect to your Google Meet account by entering your Google informations or your Google username, etc. And all it remains to do now is to follow these simple steps. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to click on the new meeting, or you can join any meeting. So here in this example, I'm just going to create an instant meeting so I can show you how to record your meeting. So basically, there are two ways to record your meeting. If you have like an enterprise version of the Google Meet, or you have a Scholar Google Meet, Google Workspace or Enterprise Plus Google Workspace. That means if you have like a premium version of Google Workspace, you will have here in the activities, you will have an option that will allow you to record your meeting. But I have only a regular plan of the Google Workspace. That's why I do not have this record button. So basically, either you are going to have this activity in the activity, you will find the record button and you will start recording. Otherwise, you can just start recording by using a feature on your Windows PC. So basically, you can just click on the Windows button of your keyboard and the J like is in Google. And basically, you will find here capture, and there is something that is will allow you to record your screen in the Windows PC. Or you can just use this shortcut, Windows plus Alt plus R, and it will start recording your PC. After that, you will just click the same shortcut to end the recording, and this is how you can do it. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.